Welcome to the channel. I'm Yan Kugel, a GMP expert. In this channel, you will find engaging content about good manufacturing practice and the pharmaceutical industry. I have worked in the pharmaceutical industry in various roles, in quality assurance and quality control. Back then, I always desired to learn more to expand my knowledge and advance my career. But courses in the field are not accessible enough. And the online content is so dull you want to get back to doing your taxes after 5 minutes. Therefore, I have made it to a mission of mine to provide you with valuable content in the most engaging and fun way. In order not to miss new episodes, subscribe and click the bell. Now, it's very important, don't forget the bell. So enjoy the channel and see you in the next video.